Hello again, welcome back. What we're looking at now is outcome 4, unit 313 or 613 in some cases. Now again, I'm not going to read this to you, you can read this for yourselves, okay? But again, you need to be aware that you should be able to organize yourselves in respect of the work you're doing and know the steps that you need to take to complete the work required. Okay? Okay, all again here I'm doing is just taking you through the steps, okay? I'm not going to take this too long through because again all this is readable by you. Again here we have 4.1. The learner will be able to, okay, and it sets out what you should be able to do. You can use your supervisor as a WT, witness testimony, where he can confirm the work you have done and the work you have been doing. But remember to sign. Both you and your witness testimony should be signed by yourself and the witness. Okay? Use photographs to assist and show the job you're on and to what effect the witness testimony is referring. Okay, and here we have 4.2. Okay? Now again, you can read that for yourselves. Okay. And again, all I need to do is just take you through this. And 4.3, okay? Again, read this for yourselves. Apply the procedure because you're doing this work already. It's nothing that you are not doing. Simply put it in text. Provide evidence. Use the photographs. Show your work schedule, your timetable, okay? Program of work. When the job starts, when the job is due to finish. Okay. Let us know what you can and what you are actually doing. Okay. Thank you. We'll stop there.